funny. Alright, alright. I choose you, and she told me to tell you to never hurt me again. Okay, I'm gonna pull it back. Hope I don't mess up on these lyrics. I was a former loner, but quiet is rest in your house. It ceases my lips from speaking, but forms a sarcastic smile. Spends no rays when I be your eyebrows. You ask me, is there someone else? I replied, yes. Hell yes. You ask me, is it another man? I say. You laugh and say, is it a woman? I say. Surprisingly, you ask me for her niece name, and her name is me, and she loves me more than you'll ever know. And I finally see that loving you and loving me just don't seem to work at all. So patiently, she's waiting on me to tell you that she needs love, and to choose between you two. Boy, you know if I had to choose, I'd choose me. And she told me to tell you, you're never to hurt me again. Cause you... Damn, I messed up on the lyrics. Keep going. Even though I haven't been, yet and still you try and test me by raising an angry hand. Put it down, put it down. You... Yeah, I'm not talking about it again.